Bombardier Beetle, nature's tiny chemical warrior. Hidden beneath fallen leaves, under rocks and among the forest floor lives one of nature's most extraordinary insects, the Bombardier Beetle. Though only about 1 to 2 centimeters long, this remarkable creature possesses a defense system so sophisticated that it has fascinated scientists for decades. Its ability to produce and fire a boiling hot chemical spray makes it one of the most unique examples of survival in the animal kingdom. Bombardier beetles belong to the ground beetle family, Carabidae, and are found on nearly every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit forests, grasslands, and agricultural fields where they spend much of their time hunting for food at night. Their diet includes insects, larvae, worms, and other small invertebrates, making them valuable predators that help maintain ecological balance. At first glance, the Bombardier beetle appears ordinary. Its body is typically black, brown, or metallic green, with a hard outer shell that protects it from physical damage. However, beneath this simple appearance lies a biological defense mechanism unlike any other in the insect world. When threatened by predators such as frogs, birds, spiders, or ants, the Bombardier beetle does not rely on speed or camouflage. Instead, it uses chemistry as a powerful weapon. Inside its abdomen are 2 separate storage chambers containing chemicals known as hydroquinones and hydrogen peroxide. These substances remain harmless while stored separately. When danger approaches, they are pushed into a specialized reaction chamber where enzymes rapidly trigger a chemical reaction. The result is astonishing. The reaction produces intense heat, reaching temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius, nearly the boiling point of water. At the same time, oxygen gas builds up rapidly, creating tremendous pressure inside the chamber. This pressure forces the hot chemical mixture out through the tip of the beetle's abdomen in a series of rapid, explosive bursts. The spray is not only hot, but also highly irritating. It can burn the skin of small animals and cause pain to predators, forcing them to retreat immediately. Even more impressive is the beetle's ability to accurately aim its spray. By rotating the tip of its abdomen, it can direct the chemical blast toward an attacker from multiple angles, even if the predator approaches from behind. Scientists have studied this defensive system extensively because it combines chemistry, biology, and engineering in a highly efficient way. The beetle's reaction chamber is lined with special materials that protect its own body from the extreme heat and pressure generated during the explosion. Without this protection, the beetle would injure itself each time it fired its chemical weapon. Research using high-speed cameras has revealed that the Bombardier beetle releases its spray in rapid pulses rather than in one continuous stream. These tiny explosions occur hundreds of times per second, allowing pressure to build and release repeatedly. This pulsed firing system increases both the range and effectiveness of the spray while preventing damage to the insect's internal organs. The Bombardier beetle's remarkable defense has inspired engineers and scientists working in fields such as chemical engineering, medicine, and robotics. By studying how the beetle safely manages high-pressure chemical reactions, researchers hope to design more efficient spray systems, miniature propulsion devices, and improved safety mechanisms for industrial equipment. Despite its powerful defense, the Bombardier beetle plays an important role in nature. As a predator, it helps control populations of many insects that might otherwise damage crops or spread disease. At the same time, it serves as prey for larger animals that have developed ways to avoid or tolerate its chemical weapon. This balance highlights the complexity of ecosystems where every species contributes to the survival of others. The Bombardier Beetle also demonstrates the incredible diversity of life on Earth. While some animals survive through strength, speed, or camouflage, this tiny insect relies on an advanced chemical strategy that has evolved over millions of years. Its defense is a reminder that nature often solves problems in ways that humans could scarcely imagine. Today, scientists continue to investigate the Bombardier beetle's biology using advanced imaging techniques, chemical analysis, and laboratory experiments. Each new discovery provides deeper insight into how living organisms adapt to environmental challenges and defend themselves against predators. These studies not only expand our understanding of evolution, but also contribute to technological innovations inspired by nature. However, like many insects, bombardier beetles face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, pesticide use, and climate change. Protecting forests, wetlands, and natural grasslands is essential for preserving these fascinating creatures and the ecosystems they support. Conservation efforts that safeguard insect diversity ultimately benefit agriculture, wildlife, and human societies alike. The bombardier beetle may be small, but it is one of nature's greatest examples of scientific ingenuity. Armed with a miniature chemical laboratory inside its body, it transforms ordinary compounds into an extraordinary defense, capable of stopping much larger enemies. Its story reminds us that even the smallest creatures can possess remarkable adaptations and play vital roles in the natural world. As we continue to explore Earth's biodiversity, the bombardier beetle stands as a symbol of nature's endless creativity. From its explosive defense to its ecological importance, this tiny insect proves that extraordinary discoveries often come in the smallest packages.